I'll straight away put my first question. Tell me about your fitness journey.
I'll make it short. Actually, we both were gym friends. I met her at the gym. We both always have a deep passion for personal growth and fitness. We wanted to bring something new to the society, community. We got ourselves trained and certified as a Zumba instructor.
Can you please tell your husband's name and have you told any thank you note for them?
My husband is Khanna. From day one, his full support, and for what I am, daughters have really supported
And our strong friendship also.
I've heard many people telling, "Na Zumba class போனதுனால தான் எனக்கு கால் வலி வந்தது, so I have stopped going to Zumba." Is it a taboo or a fact?
நான் சொல்லுவேன் இது வந்து myth தான் இது. You should go to a certified Zumba instructor because we put our playlist taking into consideration the total whole body. So first proper warm up இருக்கும். அப்புறம் we will give the workout for the whole body and proper cool down will be there.
Do you need to know dance for joining Zumba?
No, not at all. We are not dancers.
we are both not dancers.
We don't have any dancing experience in the past.
There's a new trend called dance Zumba. Is that really the one?
No, nothing like that. Dance Zumba illave illaye.
Dance Zumba, no, dance fitness is there.
Yeah, dance fitness is there and Zumba fitness. That's all.
Yeah.
There is not dance Zumba.
No.
இன்னைக்கு நம்ம நாயகி அட் நவநீதால இல்ல நாயகிஸ் அட் நவநீதான் தான் சொல்லணும். They have two beautiful guests, certified Zumba trainers, Kavitha, Narendran and Shanu, Khanna, in a modern version and a traditional version. So அவங்க கிட்ட நிறைய விஷயங்களை பேசி தெரிஞ்சுக்க போறோம். Let's get into the session. First of all, I welcome you both to the episodes of Nayagi at Navaneetha. Thank you so much for accepting and coming together today.
Yeah, we are also happy to be here.
Yeah, very nice to be a part of this.
So I'll straight away put my first question. Tell me about your fitness journey.
I'll make it short. Actually, we both were gym friends. I met her at the gym. We had attended few of the Zumba sessions. We both always have a deep passion for personal growth and fitness. And we wanted to bring something new to the society, community and to the city as well. So we got ourselves trained and certified as a Zumba instructor. So we want to make some tangible difference in the society. So it all happened. That's where it all started. So we started in the year 2014, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, 2014. ஸோ இனிஷியலி அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பெரிய சேலஞ்ச் தான். பட் 1 year பை வேர்ட் ஆஃப் மவுத் இட்ஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெடட் ஆல் ஓவர். அண்ட் இல்லை அண்ட் 2015 இந்தியன் எக்ஸ்பிரஸில் ஒரு பிக் ஹெட்லைன்ஸோட போட்டாங்க, ட்ரிச்சி லேடிஸ் டேக்கிங் த ஜும்பா ரூட் டு ஸ்டேயிங் ஃபிட்னு. ஸோ ஃபிட்னஸ் ஜேர்னி ஸ்டார்டட்
there. Trichy ladies to the fitness.
Trichy ladies taking the Zumba route to staying fit அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஹெட்லைன்ஸ். ஆமாம், இந்தியன் எக்ஸ்பிரஸில். ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஹவ் our fitness journey started.
Let's come to Trichy and before 14-15 years odd. Initially we were having only gyms for fitness. In the point of fitness we had only gyms. We didn't have any other sports facility like we have pickle balls here and there and cricket turfs here and there. We didn't have facilities then.
Yeah.
So what made you to pick Zumba, especially for ladies?
Okay, actually we want to break the monotony that is seen in the standard gyms. We want to transform the traditional cardio workout into high energy fitness party wherein all the ladies and gentlemen, they smile and move their body with their fellow friends to their favorite Latino and Bollywood music, and they burn around 500 to 600 calories in a session without even realizing that they have burnt it. So we want
Easily, basically.
we want to break the monotony in the workouts. That's why we brought Zumba into the society.
Zumba is more of music. So music is enjoyable by all cadre. So everybody would be waiting, what's the next number, and it had even Latino plus Bollywood numbers. So that kept motivating the clients also and for us also, and that's why we're into it for the last 14 years and we are not bored of it. So there's nothing like boredom in Zumba.
Yeah.
Boredom. There's
Yeah.
no boredom
Yeah,
in Zumba.
no boredom in Zumba.
Yeah, nice. One question from my point of view. Even today, Trichy is very traditional and very conservative. 14 years back then, what were the challenges you faced when you bought in Zumba? ஏன்னா பீப்புளுக்கு வந்துட்டு they have a notion Zumba na குத்தாட்டம் ஆடுறது
ஆமா, ஆமா, ஆமா.
டான்ஸ் பண்றது
Yeah, exactly.
they would have judged you in many ways. How did you overcome it, and till today you are staying very strong? What is that one thing which made you stay strong?
Coming from a very known family background for both of us, it was difficult in the way like we have got into fitness and performing in front of everybody, wearing the fitness clothes,
Yeah.
and the people's mindset was not very acceptable.
Exactly.
And they would always question us from which family you all are coming and is it right. But we knew that what we were doing is giving the right workout, and it is totally fitness based. So that's what we were both very strong with our mindset, and we continued.
Yeah, and our husbands also supported us a lot. That also matters a lot in that case. And yeah, we were very strong.
Very strong. Can you please tell your husband's name, and have you told any thank you note for them, or if you would like to convey any thank you note through this message?
My husband is Dr. Narendran. He is an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. நான் இன்னைக்கு இப்படி இருக்கிறேன்னா நான் வந்து ஒரு ஜும்பா பிலாட்டேஸ் அண்ட் கெட்டில் பெல் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர் இருக்கிறேன்னா that is fully because of him. I won't give the credit to anyone.
Yeah, my husband is Khanna. A total is into business, and from day one, his full support. And for what I am, every time he's been, so all credit to him. And even my daughters have really supported, and they've also enjoyed workouts with us. So they've also
Yeah, they used to come to our Zumba
participated.
sessions.
Yeah, they've also come for all many Zumba sessions and
Keep motivating us. Yeah.
family support. Otherwise, I don't think we
Yeah.
should have reached so far.
And our strong friendship also.
Yeah, we also didn't know when we started,
Yeah.
right? We didn't know each other, but I think it's a family now.
It
Yeah.
clicked.
Yeah.
It clicked. Coming to Zumba, people still believe or still think they'll get knee pain or any other pain, because I've heard many people telling, நான் ஜூம்பா கிளாஸ் போனதுனால தான் எனக்கு கால் வலி வந்தது, ஸோ ஐ ஹவ் ஸ்டாப்ட் கோயிங் டு ஜூம்பா. இஸ் இட் அ டேபு ஆர் அ ஃபேக்ட்?
இல்லை இல்லை, இது வந்து உண்மையிலேயே வந்து நான் சொல்லுவேன் இது வந்து மித்து தான். இது என்னன்னா வந்து you should go to a certified Zumba instructor, because வந்து we put our playlist taking into consideration the total whole body. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து ப்ராப்பர் வார்ம் அப் இருக்கும், அப்புறம் we will give the workout for the whole body and proper cool down will be there. ஸோ வந்து we customize our playlist like that. ஸோ வந்து you will not get knee pain or injury from that. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து சர்டிஃபைடு இல்லாத ஜும்பா இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டர்கிட்ட போய் கண்ணா அப்படின்னான்னு ஜம்ப் பண்ணி ஆடிட்டு அவங்களுக்கு வர knee pain and injury தான். ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் we will always say go to www.zumba.com, type the instructor name. So see to it whether they are certified or not. Then go to him or her. I will always say that. And the flooring also, wearing
Would you
proper
add on
shoes
flooring?
also.
Would you
Yeah,
add
yeah.
on?
So
Yeah.
along with the keeping in mind the intensity, and very important is the flooring. So we should not, you should see that the flooring is a good wooden one, and so the jump has no impact on the knees, and you come out in a good one piece. after
Shoes
the
also
workout.
matter a lot.
Yeah, the shoes, the attire, coming into a good, having a comfortable footwear where you perform and you don't feel the intense of the workout on your knees.
It should be enjoyable.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Do you need to know dance for joining Zumba class?
No, not at all. We are not dancers.
We are both not dancers.
We don't have any dancing experience in the
Yeah.
past. So the steps are very easy to follow. All you have to do is you just have to smile and move your body. You can just jump in and walk into the Zumba session. That's all. You don't
Zumba
need
is
that.
basically incorporated with many dance rhythms though. It has salsa, merengue, cumbia, reggaeton, bhangras and belly dance. So you name it is there. But it's along with fitness. So it's very enjoyable at the end of it.
And everyone can follow.
Yeah,
Everyone
anyway
can
to
follow.
Yeah.
There's a new trend called dance Zumba. Is that really the one?
No. Nothing like that. Dance Zumba இல்லவே இல்லையே.
Dance Zumba, no, dance fitness is there.
Yeah, dance fitness is there and Zumba fitness, that's all.
Yeah.
There is no
No,
dance
no, dance
Zumba.
Zumba. No. இதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஆளுங்க வச்சுக்கிட்ட பேரு. There is
Marketing.
no such thing like that. It is Zumba fitness, that's all. Zumba dance கூட சொல்லக்கூடாது. It is Zumba fitness.
Tell us about your evolution in Zumba. Basically, you would have done some course,
Yeah.
then started a class. From there till now, what are the steps or your achievements you have got in Zumbas?
Yeah, after doing basic one, we upgraded ourselves with so many levels in Zumba. Like we are certified Zumba kids instructors. We are Zumba Cento instructors also, wherein you have to do Zumba using a chair.
Okay.
Okay, and Zumba toning also, wherein you use dumbbells for your class. And
We have done Aqua Zumba, and then Zumba. We have done even Zumba Rhythm 2, that is the basic level 2. We have finished after the basic one. And
Zumba Gold also
Zumba Gold, which is for the active adults.
So these are the levels you have achieved. What is that Aqua Zumba?
Actually, the instructors will be on the floor and all the clients will be doing Zumba inside the pool. That will be too much of fun.
Oh,
That will be brought only during the summer season.
okay.
So we have done almost 5 to 6 sessions of Aqua Zumba, right? In Trichy also.
Yeah, we have.
And we were the first to introduce Aqua Zumba in Trichy.
Aqua Zumba. Nice. No need of knowing swimming for that.
No, not at all.
Just for the knowledge of people.
இல்லை ஸ்விம்மிங்லாம் கிடையாது. அங்கே வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ஹிப் அளவுக்கு தான் தண்ணி இருக்கும். they will be doing Zumba and you can burn lot of calories.
Because of the weight in the water, you have to pull up and down.
And அது நல்ல ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சது லேடிஸ் கிட்ட இருந்து.
Yeah, in
நல்ல
that also you have the upper and the lower body working. There's arm workout, there's the lower body working out. And again, you have a good playlist, you're good to go.
yeah.
Tell me about your first Zumba class as an instructor.
Oh my God.
It was challenging and a few of the steps we forgot.
Yeah, we
and we
missed.
managed to continue the session.
Yeah.
It was challenging.
See, because when we learnt and we came, to tell you the truth, we didn't have any good playlist with us. So we started working with the playlist and preparing the choreos, and we messed up with few numbers, but that was only between both of us, not for everybody to know. And then on we started and our chemistry started with each other.
அந்த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் லெவல் வந்து கொஞ்சம் இப்போ இருக்கிற அளவுக்கு இருக்காது. அது இட் வாஸ் சேலஞ்சிங் தான். எனிதிங் நியூ இஸ் சேலஞ்சிங் தானே.
From then till now, how many clients you had and how many clients?
You almost all Trichy ladies must have tried our sessions, right?
Yeah,
almost
it was
all
a very
Trichy
big
ladies.
list. Yeah,
it was a big
number.
list.
Big list. Who was your first client?
First client na first class there were so many.
Yeah. And
mention பண்ண முடியாது.
Very happy to say that there have been clients from day one till today. They are with us. So
Proficiency clients. Huh?
So there have been quite a few of them who have still supported and they are with us all through our journey also.
Yeah.
One client's journey which is very, very memorable for both of you.
இல்லை ஒன் கிளைண்ட் ஜேர்னின்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. ஆக்சுவலி வந்து என்னன்னா வந்து we were helping some of the ladies, ஒரு 10 to 15 ladies in their weight loss journey. அவங்க கைனகாலஜிஸ்ட் வந்து அந்த வெயிட் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டுக்கு பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த ஃபர்டிலிட்டி இஷ்யூஸ் அந்த ஃபேட் பர்னிங்காக வந்து நம்ம ஜும்பா கிளாஸ்க்கு அனுப்புகிறாங்க. ஸோ வி வேர் ஹெல்பிங் அரௌண்ட் 10 to 15 ladies in their weight loss journey and it clicked also for them. So
clinically it has been proven.
ஆமா.
Eventually they were with good positive results, which made us also very happy. And 10 yearsக்கு அப்புறம்லாம் வந்து இது ஒரு நல்ல நியூஸ் சொன்னாங்க. ஸோ அதெல்லாம் வந்து we are very proud to happy and to see that. And even when the people who are suffering from migraine, thyroid and the Pilates workout வந்து though it is not fully cured, it is kept under control.
Yeah.
So
the numbers are quite positive.
So இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய பாசிட்டிவான இதுதான்.
Workout basically helps you to come out even of the medicines what you're taking. You're dependent on some medication. So there have been clients who have been taking certain medications but with good workout. So they are out of it.